we have to understand what are the features that we can describe of the Indian Ocean first. So first you will describe all the features of Indian Ocean, whether it is about the trenches, whether it is about the deeps, whether it is about your strait which are present, or whether the continental shelf is bigger or continental shelf is lesser. So you have to describe all the major portion. So how we have to describe the geography optional question? So first you have to understand it is coming from which portion? Oceanography. Which topic? Bottom relief feature or bottom topography. The question is saying what is the bottom relief feature of Indian Ocean? So it is saying that it is having what? Stress. First, describe all the important ridges, right? For example, mid-oceanic ridge. You have to describe all the factors here, okay? And then you will be describing about the Pacific Ocean. Now, what should be your content? How the content should be defined? So first, you have to write about Indian Ocean. The intro should start from there, or you can start your intro from the generalized intro you can give about the bottom relief features of ocean, normal, right? The intro should be generalized. Then you should start with the Indian Ocean features. For example, it is having mid-oceanic region. How is the continental shelf? Characteristics of continental shelf. Marginal seas. Presence of marginal seas. What impact is there if marginal seas are present? Whether the continental shelf is bigger or lesser. Whether continental shelf is wider or narrow, right? And then what you will describe? You will describe about all the islands, all the important features which I made you write, right? And then describe them in a very detailed manner. After that, what you will do? Start comparing this with the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now you will do the comparison. Now next para, this is your para 1. This is your para 2. Then a third para should start from the differences. Now you should start comparison from here. So when you will start comparison in para 3, then you don't have to describe about Pacific Ocean much. Okay? Correct. You have to just write the characteristics of Pacific Ocean where they are differing from India. Whether it's about the depth, obviously depth is different, right? Whether it is about the resources, extent, width, whether it is about what? Resources or presence of marginal seas in both, and then difference in their continental shelf. This is what you have to describe. And then the last portion would be your conclusion. Your conclusion also has to be very much generalized. It will tell about the how the study of Indian and Pacific Ocean has really helped in understanding of the bottom topography and what application lies behind it. So all this you have to